So this pose is called Traction Jackson, and it is one of the yoga trapeze classics. So the way you get into it is just hop onto your seat, grab hold of your trapeze just to get your seat perfect by doing that little shimmy, 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 straight leg shimmy, then come back up, and you're going to find your long handles, okay? And come all the way down. Remember, immediately take your feet into the wide V and then come all the way down. Now, from this position, you're going to look up at your feet. So can you see my handles get in the way? And that's totally cool. It's not a big deal, but you want to just get them kind of out of the way. So you can use your top handle just like I've done and then come all the way down. This feels good already. Okay, and then from this position, you want to just come down and grab hold of your elbows and just allow your whole body to hang like a rag doll. Now, can you see for me, my elbows are touching the ground, okay? So for a lot of people, this doesn't happen. The elbows would be up there, okay? For me, my arms are long, my shoulders are really open. Sorry, I don't mean to brag. It's just the way I'm experiencing this pose, okay? I'm touching the ground. So don't worry if you're up here. That's totally cool. That's where the pose is as well. If your elbows do touch the ground, you can just relax your hands down. So just think of letting go. The point of Traction Jackson is to allow the whole spinal column, yeah? So just think, it is all about this. And you are literally just decompressing the whole spine. And that's what helps with back pain, back aches. That's why this is so amazing, okay? So it's not so much about the way you clasp your elbows or whether your hands are dropped in front of you. It's more about what's going on here, okay? It's all about the back and the spine. So just completely relax, be easy and breathe. And after you've been here for a good amount of time, it feels good for you, you can just grab hold of your handles, find your feet. And remember, when you find your feet, you do this one by one, slowly to come into your V, yeah? You can walk your hands up your handles and come all the way out. And that's your Traction Jackson. Good work.